Let me show you how we can turn on fingerprint recognition on Android. So we naturally have to head over to the settings app like this, and on the main page I just scroll down just a little bit more and find the security and privacy. So it is indicated with the blue or purple icon. You can click on it to get inside, and it depends, it might show you the pop-up or like the breakdown of whatever is going on with your security. But below I can see screen lock and biometrics. Obviously it depends on your phone. Some devices have the fingerprint on the side, the sensor. Some have it under the display, but you're gonna get inside of this section, type in the code if you have one to get inside, and tap on the fingerprints. So for me, I currently have it enabled because there is one fingerprint added. But if you don't have it, let me just remove the current fingerprints to show it to you what it looks like without it. So if you don't have it, you just click on the fingerprint like this, and it's going to give you the quick way of setting this up. So you just tap on continue, and you need to locate the fingerprint scanner. So as I said, on this device, it is on the side, on the side button like this. And let's say that I'm going to use my index finger for it. So I have to tap on it a few times, and as you can see, I keep on adding more information to the sensor. We essentially want to reach the 100%, so you have to keep on tapping it over and over again, and you can see that it kind of fills up the circle. So you have to lift and tap and so on. If it gives you a little tip below about how exactly you should do it, then just make sure you follow the instructions to be precise, right? Because you have to actually fill up the fingerprint chart on the screen like this. And now that I'm on 100%, the fingerprint has been added. So I'm gonna hit done, and now I can essentially use it. And below we also choose how exactly it's going to work. So of course, to unlock the device, we need to make sure fingerprint unlock is turned on, so I can actually use it to get inside my phone. And there is also an interesting feature which is called fingerprint always on, and this refers to the state of device when it's locked like this, right? And I don't even have to tap on the screen to make it light up. I can only place my finger on the fingerprint reader like this, and it gets me inside instantly. So even without waking the phone up, I can place the finger on the scanner and get inside. So that's how you can use it and turn on fingerprint recognition on the Android phone. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.